for taking two. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Nice, they both flew. Hi everybody, it's Miss K, and I want to do a paper rocket today, or a rocket, or you can do a superhero. This is my Super Miss K, and here's my paper rocket, and we're going to create that and then be able to blow them in flight. You ready? Did you catch that? Yep. To make our rocket, what we need to do is to roll some paper. So you can get your supplies together. We need some paper, pencil, any coloring things that you might want to use. You need some scissors, and you need some tape. If you want to do a little superhero like I did here, you can take your paper and draw whatever character or hero you would like, and then we're going to attach the rocket to the back. So do that and then set it aside. For your rocket, you're going to fold your paper in half, and then you're going to fold it in half again so that you have the 4 quadrants here. That, and then just cut along your fold to get your paper about this size, and you cut it out, and then you can use a straw or you can use a pencil to roll your rocket. So you're going to put the straw on the paper and fold the paper over it, and then just roll it all the way down. And then you're going to pull the straw out and tape your paper rocket together. And you might want to get a couple pieces of tape on there at the middle and at the bottom. Then you're going to decide which side is going to be your nose. I'm going to choose this one here, and you're going to pinch it. And if you want to try to make it a little bit more pointy, you can fold in the sides, but you don't need to. You can just tape it so that the air is going to be trapped in there. This is going to build up your air pressure to make it build up and force your rocket to fly. And once you have your nose done, if you want to do the rocket like this, you're going to need some fins or some wings on there. And you can make them from any size you want, but you want to try to make all 3 of them the same size. So you can use another piece of paper, decorate it if you want to. And what I did was fold a couple squares so that way all 3 of my fins were the same size. Fold them into triangles. Down. And then when it's the size of the fin you want, then you can just cut along the fold on all 3 sides, and then you'll have your your fins ready to go. Like that. And then tape them on. You have to spend some time trying to figure out how you want them to go, what you think will be the best way to tape them on. And then there's your rocket. And if you wanted to make your little superhero with that same rocket, instead of doing your fins, you can tape the nose of the rocket onto the back of the superhero like this. Tape it down so it traps the air in. Now if you don't have a straw at home, if you didn't save any from your last trip to the restaurant or something, you can use just regular paper, and all you do is just roll it with the pencil like I showed you. And this one you're probably going to make a little smaller and a little tighter so that it can fit inside the rocket. And then when you've done that, just tape it up just like you did with the paper rocket. So then you would tape that as well. Tape it at the end and tape it in the middle, so that way it holds together for you. This is a little wider than you'd want. Make it a little smaller so that it looks like this. And then it will fit inside your rocket or inside your superhero. And then you can go, get out and fly. Then for some more fun science stuff, try making your rocket, your paper rocket, like a little longer, a little shorter. Change the size of your wings. And then experiment with it, see which ones fly the furthest or the highest. Get your friends and your family involved and see if you can do some little competitions and see who can win, right?